Hello folks, with new trip from Tbilisi. It's a place calling Tbilisi Karvasla. So interesting place, and now we check everything. Hello. All made and probably, yeah. And this is a ski swords, old ski swords, and these too. There is in our pavilion. Oh, it's working. Amazing. From laser, yeah. Hello, little boy. So interesting came from brass. Georgia have great history. Great. Shota Rostaveli, Georgian writer. There are the books and some handmade things. Price 15 lari. 5 sticks. So nice design. It's handmade. New version. Subscribe. What? Red honey with dry fruits. A lot of spoons. Nice collection. Old bottles. Wow. It's from USSR time. Old scissors. You know, I have this one probably with a stamp of Zollingen. BB daggers. Amazing Caucasian daggers. Small shashka. I will like a bebut. Big dagger. Probably 16 centimeters. Shield. One hand shield. But you can use it like a two-hand shield with a sword. Debut. Curved dagger Caucasian. So beautiful. Caucasian shashkas. This is. Erectus second, last king of Georgia. That is belt. Probably it's a silver. I don't know what is it, but it looks like a sword. If you know which sword it's it, leave a comment. So interesting, Rome tomb. There we can see a lot of old photos, photo cameras, clothes. It's really interesting. It's TV, old TV. But each photo it's old is not Photoshop and some graphic programs. This is Karachoheli wear clothes. This is for Quinto. You can check full information about who is this in Google. It's a long story and my English not perfect. Well, but I hope you understand me. No? So old family, you can see a lot of child. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. A lot of wines, Wine. Old furnace. Old money, probably, yeah. It's ruble. Russian Empire money. It's called inquiry for wine. It's antiquity and so old things. It's axe, it's dagger, spear, arrow maybe. Yeah, it's a piece of arrow. Yeah. Old handmade necklace, ring. Look at this. Look at this table. A lot of paint. Ah, it's a working space, and someone is draw here. Yeah, looks nice. Yep. Pumpkin and something. It's room calling antiquary room. Probably it's from gun. Probably of Nagan Mosin, maybe. Wow. Old anvil. So old. Wow, nice knife, curved knife. It's a chuck, knife chuck, and so beautiful work. Probably it's a knife or dagger. A lot of wow. Wait. It's a bayonet from level system. Yeah. Some dagger, some knife, scabbard. One more bayonet. A lot of case with a lock. გამარჯობა. როგორ ხარ? აბა ერთი დაუკარი რამე კაი. Rings. Folks, if you like this theme video, please leave a comment. For me, it's very important. Know what you like. Look at that. So interesting. Old rifle mechanism. Old brick. corners. All books, 1929. So cute bottles. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment what you think and stay tuned. See you next time. Bye and beep beep.